welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I have another quick Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to show you as much as I can. I have a couple other things. They're not nearby, but I'm going to show you what I picked up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you stick around and see what else I do around the house. And I appreciate all the old people who keep coming back. Did I say old people? I'm sorry. I mean all my old subscribers. I truly love you. So stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. This is no order. Just going to randomly show you what I picked up on my last trip. This was a 19.8 ounce box, gluten-free Cheerios. What is the pumpkin spice family size? So you can't beat that for $1. It said limited edition. Somebody around here may eat it. And from what I see in here, none of this looks exciting. My exciting stuff might be in another location. I'll show that to y'all later. But this is Good Sense Zippers Seal freezer and storage bags. There's 12 bags in here. So I don't like to spend a lot on these type of bags because I don't use them very long. This, I picked up a birthday card for someone, and I probably should take it with me today so I can have it ready to mail. And Gabby, if you're watching, I'm going to get your winnings out shortly. I saw this, I think it was the only one I saw on the shelf, so I picked it up. And this is Just to Cucumbers, soothing, calming micellar cleansing water. And I've not seen this before. It was in an odd place. Someone might have put it there, you know, decided they didn't want to get it and then put it there. Can you see? And this is, I can't see. I don't have my glasses with me, but it looks like about 3 fluid ounces. But I thought that was something new. And then I have a problem with my foot, which I know I always talk about my feet on my channel. But I picked up this arthritis and muscle pain relief cream and to put on the bottom of my foot before I put on my socks. And this is so exciting. I couldn't wait to show you. I got some tissues. So let me see in my last bag. I think all my good stuff is in my other location. Okay, but I wanted to show you this because somebody talked about it, and I normally don't buy paper plates, but for $1, and I figured it's spring and summer, I could use them for cooking out. But this is Brit & Company for Cheeky. This is 25. Looks like full-size plates. And so I picked up 1 pack of those. That's a good size. And then they had also Brit & Company, a little smaller size that had 38 plates in it. So you can see the difference. And I like the pattern on it. I think they had some of these, if you kind of look at them, they look like, you know, party. I guess it could have been like they had them at Christmas time and they didn't sell as many as they hoped. So that's what they had left over. And I had to get this because I was running out. And it is my Sweet Mates. And they have 50 packets in it. And for the price, it's just as good as Splenda. Now this I picked up last year. But when I saw it, I picked it up again because mine's rusted because I left them outside. Or we got a lot of rain. But this is the 12 lights, Floral Garden Silver Wire LED lights. And so I picked up 2 of those. And they're cute. I wrapped them around one of my little trellises, my plants. I might try it again. And then I saw this, and I should have got more than one. This is 2.82 ounces. It's the Goya. It's the chicken bouillon. Well, chicken flavored. It's powdered. So I kind of like that. I think I picked it up before, but I don't know if it was at the Dollar Tree. So that, you know, it's quicker than the cubes. So guys, that's all I have. But that was not all that I picked up on this trip. So I had to hide the other bag somewhere else. I think that's in my garage. So I'll be back to show you the rest. But stick around to the end. After this, I'll show you a couple pictures of my store. All right, take care and peace and chicken grease. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.